Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube. Of course, today is Monday, so we're back again with the Makeup Mondays. And ooh, that pimple was something serious. Um, we're gonna keep it a little cute today. It's gonna be very experimental, kind of like artistic, kind of crazy. So yeah. Let's get it popping, get it popping, get it popping. We're starting with the concealer again. Again, it's CoverGirl concealer. Very old, like I said before, so don't judge me. But we're starting on the brows. Cause this look, I was looking at inspiration on Pinterest yesterday, and I just thought of like how the bleach brow would look, but of course I don't have any dye or anything to do that look, so I just thought I'd use my concealer and see how that goes. So yeah, so far it's looking kind of crazy, but we'll fix it. We're going in on the brows, nice and heavy to cover all the hair because we want it to look like you don't have no eyebrows. Yes, you do. Okay, it looks real crazy. How does that look on camera? From far away, it's giving a look that I needed to give, but up close, it's like, ooh, girl, a mess. But no, we gonna get it together. So let me try to blend it a little bit. Try to blend that shit the fuck out, like we did on the first video. You know how you be looking like people with bleached eyebrows and low key be looking like fucking cancer patients. Like, no shade to them, but they be looking like they got cancer. In a good way, like in a modelly way. You know what I'm saying? Like, in a model way. Okay. So after that, we're gonna go in with the Stila Cosmetics palette, Road to Radiance across the USA. Again, my makeup is real old, so don't judge me. Like, y'all probably like, why the fuck is she carrying around this old ass fucking collectibles Traded palette? Bitch, I don't know why I still have this. I just still have it. So, again, like, don't judge me. We're gonna take our pointer fingers like we did in the first video. Matter of fact, we're gonna take the middle finger as well. Put that in there. Okay. I'm gonna look at you. And we're gonna go in. No, I'm gonna look in the mirror. We're gonna go in and put it on the upper to lower level eyelid to the side of it. Try to round that baby out. So far, it's not giving a look that I want it to give, but we're working on it. We working on that shit, boo. Working on that shit, baby. Take your pointer finger and your middle finger again and try to pack it on as heavy as possible because you want it to be very dramatic and bold and very extra. Like, if I was to describe this look that I'm going for today, it would probably be like bird. You know what I'm saying? Like phoenix. A phoenix rising from the ashes to slay these bitches. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what it would be. A phoenix rising from the ashes to slay these bitches. But nah, it's very ashy. Like, it's very ashy. So go even higher to the upper middle forehead. Don't get it in your hair. Try not to get it in your hair. But blend that bitch out. And it's coming together. It's still very ashy, so I'm probably gonna end up mixing colors because it's not giving what I want it to give. Blend, 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 blend. I wish I had brushes. This is why my makeup Mondays be like, I be rewatching my videos like, what the fuck, bitch? Because what are you doing? Like, I don't have no fucking brushes. So, it's still straight. Okay. So, again, we're going in with the Stella Makeup palette. And we're going to use this color right here. I use this pink first. Now we're using the lightish purple. Because I don't know the names of these joints. And we're going in with our pointer finger. And our middle finger. And blending some more. I got it in my hairline, but it's all good. Blending, 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 blending. Blending, 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 blending. The look is given like highlight, and I want it to be very like bold. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal palette that I used last Monday. Hold on. Pause that real quick. Okay. So we're going in again with the palette like I said before. And this time I'm using this purplish color. This light purple. And we're going to blend some more. Blend, 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 blend. It's giving a darker pink color. It's the vibe that I wanted. Blending, 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 blending. It's like a hot pink. True. Okay. Now you want to do the same thing. Same thing on this side. And you're going from your temple down to the the upper part of your cheekbone. And you're coloring in like that whole section area or whatever. And getting into the eyes too. So, use paper towels. You can use paper towels or washcloths or whatever if you want to clean your fingers off, or your brushes, or you probably have brushes. You're not ratchet like me, but whatever. So we're going in with the pink again. I wish I could hurry this shit along like in my edits for y'all, because I know y'all be like, why the fuck is this shit so long when it don't need to be. But keep fucking with the kid. Okay. Blending, 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 blending. Beat that face, honey. Beat it. Beat that bitch like she stole something. Okay? Beat that bitch like you out for revenge. Okay. Blending, blending, blending. Let me see. out the same way the other one did. The other side did. So I'm not too happy about that. What do I want to talk about? Let's talk about my music, okay? Because I write music now. I done picked up a lot of hobbies. Makeup being one of them. Photography being another one of them. Styling being another one of them. And now I write music. So check out my SoundCloud. This side is definitely more pigmented than the other side. Like blowing the shit out of me. This side is definitely more pigmented. Hold on. Let me wipe some of that off. Yeah, check me out. It's a.solo. You know my face. I got on red lipstick in my picture. My little avatar or whatever. So check that out. And let me know what you think. Like, I appreciate positive feedback. You know what I'm saying? Like, or negative criticism. It don't matter. Any type of criticism I can take if you're knowledgeable about music. If not, you can kiss my ass. Like, for real. Like, just being real about it. Like, for real. And we're going in again in this L'Oreal purple. Yes. Purple powder, baby. And we're going in and blending that bitch out. I'm trying to create the same hot pink effect that I got on the other side, but this side is way more pigmented, so it's like it's not turning out the way I want it to. Well, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I don't even know why I started humming. Bitch, get it together. But it's like that left side, that right side is better than the left. So let me try to get that together. Honey. Oh, it's not turning out the same. What the hell? Oh my god. Now it's giving. Look at this shit. This side, it's like chalk. And this side is like, it's ashy as fuck. But that's the eyeshadow that I have. I don't really have anything else. I need better eyeshadows. Oh my god. Oh, this is turning out terribly. Maybe it won't be that bad when I finish the whole thing. I guess. I want to look like real phoenix-like, like a creature. You know what I mean? Like, that's what we giving. We giving phoenix, bird, creature. The fuck? That's what we giving. So let me fix this a little bit. Oh yeah, so I write literally. I've been rewriting like covers and stuff like that. Like y'all now know that I do poetry too a little bit, as you can see in my videos. So I'm just like, why not write music as well, just to try it out? And I think my shit is good. Like, I rewrote the Ocean Eyes by Billie Eilish. That's on my page now. And I rewrote Nights Like This by Kalani. I might post that on Friday. No, Saturday. Because Saturday is song cover Saturdays. And that's what we're going to do. How does this look? It's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. So now, what are we going to do? We are going to put concealer on the eyelids. Yes. Yes, honey. We're going to blend this thing out so it looks more natural. I'm not sure if I want to do an eye yet. I might just go into the corners of my eyes and put like a little bit of white on the inside of it. I may do liner too. I'm not quite sure yet. Matter of fact, pause that. Okay. So we're going into the eye like I said before. And we're blending it out in the corners of the eyes. Let me show you. That's how it looks so far. So, yes. Now what? I'm really thinking as I go. So now we're going to take the LA Colors eyeshadow palette. And we're going to use this white color. Or maybe we'll use something different this time. I'll use this light shade of blue. It's blue because it's more pigmented. It'll look better with my skin. Really, all these will look good, but I feel like this is the color that I like. I was gonna use white, but white might be a little too simple. And we're gonna go into the corners of the eyes, like so. Keep blending, or pack it on as much as you can, because you don't want it to look real ashy. Like, you want it to look very bright, like a pop of color. So we have it like that. I'm gonna fix it, don't worry. That's just how it came on. Or I may leave it a little messy, because I don't want this look to be too perfect. None of my looks really be that perfect, honestly. But it don't matter, because this is why it's Ratchet Makeup Mondays, okay? Okay. I'm gonna let you see it after. But yes, watch out for my Saturday covers. Not really branding myself as a singer yet, because my voice is a little raspy. It's a little raspy. Even though I probably could do like a slight little soprano, like I can soprano singer. You know what I mean? Like, could probably give you a couple of smooth high notes. But I'm not really like a singer per se, you know what I mean? Like, I just write music. Even though my music has been turning out pretty good though. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm still figuring it out. I'm just a songwriter right now, okay? Okay, baby. Okay, baby. This is turning out pretty good. I do say so myself. Yes. The blue. It looks so ashy on camera, but in person, it looks just as ashy. Like, the eyeshadow part is really blowing me. The pink eyeshadow, because I don't know. And this is a really good. These colors are really like shiny and bright. Like, you can probably double it as highlight if you wanted to. Maybe not because they're so ashy. Like, but I'm gonna go in with this silver color. Kind of blend. Use a little bit for highlight. Yeah, these colors are ashy as shit. I'm really mad because this is my first time using them. And it's not coming out how I thought it would. Ew. You tell me. What you think? But no, it's fine. Okay, so we're using that. And now I'm gonna go in with this video is about to be long as shit, but I don't care. I'm gonna go in with the Great Lash. The Great Lash mascara. Where the fuck is it? Hold on. Here's my baby. I found her. The Great Lash mascara. The Old Faithful. We're gonna go in with the lashes. Just to give it the cute little once over. We don't want it to be too dry. I'm really upset with how the side came out. Like, this eyeshadow is just not giving me life. It's the way I wanted it to. But it's okay. We're gonna thug that bitch out, little baby. We're gonna thug it out, okay? So now we're gonna go in to the next eyelash. And give like a couple of coats. Not too much again, because we don't want it to be on falsies. We want it to be on natural. Okay, baby. Now, here. Okay, so for the grand finale, we're gonna add a couple of rhinestones, baby, like these. Right here. See? We're gonna add them to the outer corners of my eye. and stick. This one just stuck for no reason. Like, I didn't even have to put any concealer on it. There we go. Let me get another one. Now I feel like it needs something extra. So I'm gonna put some on my eyebrows. Okay. It's not sticking the way I want it to. I'm about to Hulk. About to go Hulk on that ass. No, it's not sticking. Okay. I don't know if I should finish and put it all over. Maybe I'll put it all over put it all over. Put it all over. Finish the look. God damn it. Because this video is about to be in a full 30 minutes. That is not what I wanted. Look, it look like pearls. Like not even rhinestones, it looks like pearls. Pearls on my face. Fuck. I keep dropping these shits. Blowing me. Okay. Damn it. Ah! Okay. Okay, I got cut off. I'm so mad. But I was putting concealer on the eyebrows. And now I'm going to put it on my lips. That is the look. And we're done. This has been Ratchet Makeup Mondays. Hope you enjoyed it. Gave you a little artistic vibe. Phoenix rising from the ashes to slay. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we out of here.